Hello, guys! Do you want to study in the United States of America for your undergraduate or graduate program, but you need a scholarship to achieve this dream? Then, this video would be a step forward in achieving your American dream because, after this video, you will learn how to search and find scholarships that will help you fund your studies in the USA. I, therefore, recommend that you smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. My name is Alex, and this is the SKI Education Network, homeland of international opportunities. Okay, guys, let's get right into the video of the day. How to search for universities and how to search and find scholarships in the United States for your undergraduate and master's programs. Step 1. What you have to do to make it easy is head over to Google and type in SKI Education Network and go on the homepage. As you reach homepage, scroll down to Funding and Scholarships. Here you can apply at the link of scholarships and voila, you can filter and match any scholarship you need and that match with your profile and fulfills the eligibility criteria. You can choose graduate programs and see all the graduate scholarships in any country of the world. You can choose bachelor filter and choose country-specific scholarship, so innumerable options are available to explore. Now you can select PhD scholarships and the deck shows all available PhD scholarships to apply. Good news is that if you do not find any suitable scholarship or are not successful when applied, you can choose to apply for the funding program available at this portal, right here. This website offers both admission in over 400 universities, thousands of programs with tuition fee and living cost option to support your study abroad journey. Education USA. Once you search this, you're going to come over to the first result, right here, where you see educationusa.state.gov, and you're going to click on this first result right here. This will take you to the official website, Education USA. This is an official website from the United States government, and right here you can find everything pertaining to studying in the USA. It's a very useful website for anyone who wants to study in the USA. What you want to do here is search for scholarships. What you have to do is come over to the menu, and you can see 5 steps to US study. If you hover around this, you are going to see the 5 steps right here. The first step is to research your options. This is going to give you all the information. You need to research your options. The second step is to finance your studies, and this is particularly what we are interested in this video. The third step is to complete your application. You're going to get the steps on what to do to complete your application, and also apply for your student visa, which is the 4th step. The 5th step is to prepare for your departure. So, this website basically has you covered if you want to study in the USA. For this video, we are interested in the second step, which is financing your studies. So that is what we're going to click on. Click on the second step, and that will bring you over to this page right here, Finance Your Studies. So right here, you're going to read up the information here, but if you look at the left-hand side, you can see what you're interested in. If you're interested in community college, undergraduate programs, graduate programs, short-term programs, English language, or online learning, depending on what you're interested in, you just have to click on it. However, for this video, we are interested in the undergraduate as well as graduate programs. First of all, we're going to take a look at the graduate programs, but if you're an undergraduate, you still have to watch because the steps are quite similar. So you just have to follow through with this video. So we're going to click on graduate. On the next page, you can see right here, Graduate Financial Studies. You can read through what is written right here, but what we are interested in is at the bottom of this page. So, you want to come to the bottom of this page, and you can see General Funding Resources. These are the links that will take you to numerous opportunities that would help you fund your studies in the USA. There are a lot of them, as you can see right here. However, we're going to take a look at 2 of these links. We are going to look at the guaranteed scholarships as well as the international scholarships. First, we're going to take a look at the international scholarships. So, I'm going to click on this link. It takes you to this page right here at internationalscholarships.com, and this is where we're going to do some of the magic. So, it's quite easy. Right here, you can see, and right here, if you already have an idea of the scholarship you're looking for, you can put it in right here.